In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attribute in Brevo. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Brevo's website. If you're not already familiar, Brevo is a powerful platform often used for managing contacts, campaigns, and more. Once you're on their site, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up first, but for today, we'll focus on those who are already up and running. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. What we're going to do next is navigate to the Contacts section of your Brevo account. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing your contact list and their specific attributes. Once in the Contacts section, the next step is to click on Settings. This will direct you to where you can customize and manage all the finer details of your contact data. Under the Settings menu, you'll see an option for Contact Attributes. Selecting this will take you to the page where all existing attributes are listed and where you can add new ones. Before proceeding, it's worth noting that attributes in Brevo allow you to collect detailed information about your contacts, which can be immensely helpful for personalized communication and campaign targeting. On the Contact Attributes page, you'll notice several tabs, but for today's purpose, make sure you're under the Normal Attributes tab. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see an option labeled Plus Add a New Attribute. Click on that, and it will prompt you to enter details for your new attribute. This step is crucial, defining your attribute. You'll need to enter a descriptive name for it, something that clearly identifies the kind of information you plan to store. Consider the types of campaigns you'll run and what information will be most helpful. Once you've named the attribute, you'll choose the type of attribute it is, such as a date, text, numerical value, or another category that fits your needs. These options determine how the data will be formatted and how you can use it later on. Finally, after you've entered the name and selected the type, you simply click Create Attribute. And just like that, you've successfully added a new piece of valuable data to track in Brevo. Remember, the more detailed and organized your data, the easier it will be to tailor your communications effectively. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add an attribute in Brevo. Whether you're improving your segmentation or running more effective campaigns, enhancing your contact data with new attributes can make all the difference. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out Brevo's help resources or reach out directly to their support team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.